Hey guys, so this week we have science and we actually only have 2 assignments, so it's not that bad. So what I have for the first day is we're going to be talking about seeds. So usually you guys have a PowerPoint, so I have it right here, and this is the document that you're going to have to fill out, okay? So let's just go over the characteristics of a fruit. So the definition here says a characteristic of an object is something you can observe about an object. So if I were to observe this fruit, what can you guys tell me? Can you comment below about this? Describe the fruit in your own words. Anything, absolutely anything. So if you guys can give me 1 or 2 things and you can comment below, I would greatly appreciate that, because this is the only thing that we really have to focus on. Okay? And the question is, what are seeds and what happens to them? So let's just think about that. Let's make a prediction. What are seeds and what happens to them? If you want to answer that below, you can. I would greatly appreciate that. So there's just 2 things. You can predict what are seeds, and then you can tell me what happens, and then describe this picture of the fruit for me. That's all. So now the work that you guys have to do is, I'll read you out the directions. Read the PowerPoint, which is what I have here. And then it says, for this assignment, you will need a piece of fruit. So I have this link here for you guys that if you want to use, you can, that I have opened here. It has all of the fruits from A to Z, and you can see which ones you have in your house. Preferably for this lesson, guys, for this assignment, you want to have a fruit that has seeds. So an apple has seeds, apricot has a seed, avocado has a seed. A banana wouldn't be so smart to choose because bananas don't really have seeds. So you want to pick a fruit. Clementines, there are some that have seeds. Cherries have seeds. There are some fruits here that you have in your home that have your parents like cut in half for you. Even lemons, kiwis, limes. And just the goal of this lesson is very easy. It's just fill in the blank for me, okay? Now, what you need to do. Oh, and it also says here, if you do not have one, Google a real picture of the fruit, type in fruit with seeds, and fill out the chart below. So it's perfect. So you have 2 options. If you don't have a fruit, you can always Google a fruit with seeds and then fill out what we're going to go over here. And if you have a fruit, please use it. So you're going to put the name of the fruit. So you have to type in the name. How many seeds does it have? Does it have 0? Does it have 4? Does it have 10? Tell me. And then the characteristics, what we just went over, what the characteristic is. If you forget what characteristic means, go to slide 7. Actually, I'm just kidding. Go to slide 5, and it'll tell you the definition of characteristic. It's an object that, a characteristic of an object is something you can observe about an object, something that you can describe, basically. So how would you describe the seed? Use your adjectives. Remember the color, the shape, size, smell, look, taste of the seeds. Use your 5 senses, boys and girls. Use your sight, use your taste, use your touch, use your smell. Maybe not hearing, but use your 4 senses if you can. And then here, it has, it's asking you guys to draw the picture of the seed, to draw it. Now, I know it might be hard to do it here, but it's telling you that you can go on insert on top of here, go to insert right here, click on it, and then you can click on illustrations, click on shapes, and then it tells you that you can scribble, but I'm not seeing it on here. So my best bet for you guys is, if you just want to take a picture of your drawing on a notebook, so if you want to draw your seed on a notebook, you can absolutely do that. Take a picture of it and then upload it with this assignment, okay? You can do that, absolutely. That's a better option if you can't figure out how to, you know, doodle with it online with the word here. But if you figure it out, then by all means do it. And that's pretty much the lesson for science. And again, I have the link here for you guys if you just forget, you know, what type of fruits. Again, I would recommend picking a fruit with seeds. It even says it in the directions here. Pick a fruit with seeds. It has it highlighted right here. Once again, boys and girls, if you do not have a fruit at home, Google a real picture of a fruit with seeds and then fill out everything that's here, okay? It's only 4 boxes. It's really easy. And if you need to go back to the PowerPoint, you can use slide 5 to see what the definition for characteristic means. And then these are the questions that I asked in the beginning of the lesson. This one and this one, slides 3 and slide 4, okay? And that's pretty much it. If you guys have any questions, please ask. This is a really simple assignment. So you have all week to finish it. Remember, you only have 2 assignments for science. So get to it. Have a great day, you guys. Stay safe.